ground, this is Tomahawk, Papa Alpha Alpha, request start up for circuits.
Alpha Alpha, parafield ground, start first.
Start approved, Papa Alpha Alpha. 7 doors, overhead latch, belt adjusted and locked. Harnesses, circuit breakers are all in. Park brake is set, avionics switch is off, and a fuel selected to the fullest tank. A parafield ground, Papa Alpha Alpha's on the eastern apron, request taxi for circuits to receive Delta.
Parafield Alpha taxi, run up a Foxtrot time 49er.
Run up a Foxtrot Papa Alpha Alpha. A parafield ground, Papa Alpha Alpha, request further taxi.
Parafield Alpha taxi, holding point Foxtrot, runway 21 left.
Taxi holding point Foxtrot 21 left, Papa Alpha Alpha. And parafield tower Papa Alpha Alpha's at holding point Foxtrot for 21 left for circuits.
Alpha Alpha, parafield tower, just confirm ready.
Yes, there's ready 21 left at Foxtrot for circuits.
Alpha Alpha, runway 21 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Papa Alpha Alpha.
And full stop for the circuit. Yankee Bravo uniform, runway right, clear to land.
Okie dokie, here we go. 20 knots and range, hours, all that sort of stuff. All good? Temperatures and pressures are in the green. Airspeed's alive. 5, 60. It's a bit toppy. Wow. .500 feet. Fuel pumps off. Fuel pressure's maintained. Okay, crabbing right into the wind here. Thousand feet. And parafield tower, parafield tower, Alpha Alpha's turning downwind for a touch and go.
Alpha Alpha, runway 21 left, clear, touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Alpha Alpha. Okie doke, brakes are off, undercarriage is down. Mixture's rich, fuel pumps on, fuel pressure's maintained, fuel selected to the fullest tank for landing. Hatches and harnesses are all secure. That was a pretty choppy stuff. Got a ground speed Stage a flap out. Because it's gusty, we'll put almost 10 knots on the top, I reckon. 75 will come in. Brakes are off, it's all good. Keeping up 75 knots. Oh, crikey. I'll put second stage out here. If in doubt, go around.
Tower Yankee Bravo, uniform ready, Bravo 421 right circuit, asymmetric. Yankee Bravo, uniform parafield terrace, metric approved, runway 21 right, clear flag off. Takeoff 21 right, Yankee Bravo, uniform.
Holding the nose off. There's that wind. Unbelievable. I'm out at 75, I think.
Echo Tower, Echo Romeo, Echo down the star, 10 miles north, about harbour 1500. Request no radio rejoin.
Okay,
parafield terrace, request no radio rejoin approved, 1500 west circuit. Radio rejoin approved, maintain 1500 and remain in the western circuit. Echo Romeo, Echo.
Oh boy. Alpha Alpha's turning downwind for a touch and go.
Alpha Alpha, runway left, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Alpha Alpha. Okay, brakes are off, undercarriage is down, mixer's rich, fuel selected for the fullest tank for landing. Fuel pump is on. Oh, fuel pump's on, fuel selected for
uniform
fullest tank
downwind,
for
full
landing.
stop and we'll be for rejected takeoff practice after this.
Okay, brakes are off, undercarriage down, mixer's rich, fuel pump's on, fuel selected for the fullest tank for landing. Hatches and harnesses are all secure. Very quick downwind. At 45 degrees. Turn to base. Stage out. 800 RPM. Temperatures and pressures are in the green. They'll keep the speed up. That's the better turn to final. Don't cross the centre line, come out right in the middle.
Spring flight, parafield tower, Diamond Star, Echo Romeo, Echo, Outer Harbour, 1500, inbound, receive Delta.
Going over the ground at 53 knots. Gonna get choppy here. Got 75 indicated. VH-paa Alpha Alpha's going round.
Power Alpha Alpha.
Well, be nice to get it on the ground. If in doubt, go around. Easy. 500 feet, fuel pumps off, fuel pressure's maintained. VH-paa Alpha Alpha's turning downwind for a touch and go.
Power Alpha Alpha, runway left, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go, VH-paa Alpha Alpha. Okay, brakes are off, undercarriages down, mixers rich, fuel pumps on, fuel selects to the fullest tank for landing. Hatches and harnesses are all secure, and temperatures and pressures are all in the green. Okie doke, coding 80, definitely 25 knots on the tail, and turning base. Stage to flap out.
Transmitting the blind Echo Romeo Echo, overhead to field 1500, on descent down to 1000 feet to join upwind runway, turn right.
Okie dokie, 1500. .75 knots. Always put half gust component on top of your approach speed, so be around about 75 to 80 knots. Okay, we'll get a second stage out here.
Transmitting in the blind, Echo Romeo Echo, turning downwind runway, turn right, full stop.
Good. Okay. Alright. Could have done better, but 60 knots. is really falling together nicely. I think the 2 stages is better than the 1. When I went around, I had a 1 stage and flap out. That would be sufficient, but it didn't work as good as 2 on a windy day. Beautiful. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching. A parafield ground Papa Alpha is at Alpha 3 for request taxi to the eastern apron.
Alpha Alpha ground, taxi to the apron.
Taxi to the apron at Papa Alpha.